After you report your injury and get an incident report, the next thing you need to do is ask about your panel of doctors. Hopefully when you started your job, they explained to you what to do if you hurt yourself at work. If they didn't, look for a pink piece of paper somewhere with 6 doctors on it. It should be in a break room, near a time clock, or someplace in a location where employees come and go throughout your workplace environment. Get a copy of it. If you can't get a copy of the actual piece of paper, take a picture of it, maybe with your camera phone if you have one. If you're laid up in the hospital somewhere and you can't get a copy of the panel of physicians from your camera, see if one of your colleagues or coworkers can do it for you. Once you get a copy of your panel of doctors, you're probably not going to know who the good and bad doctors are. I know I didn't until I started practicing workers' comp law. And having done this for over a decade on both sides of the aisle, defense and plaintiff side, I can help you with choosing a doctor who's not only competent in terms of surgical skill and bedside manner, but someone who's not going to treat you poorly just because you came to their office via a workers' comp referral. You want to find the best doctor who will get you able to work again as quickly as possible and will treat you like a person and not a liability. I'm Michael Mobies. I've been practicing workers' compensation law in Georgia for over a decade. Let me help you.